Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. As winter begins, nothing beats the joy of enjoying a hot, flavorful soup in the chilly weather, bringing comfort to your table. Today, I'm sharing a special 19B soup recipe. Once taste, and your family won't stop asking for more. A must-try soup that steals the show at every winter gathering. And it's super quick to make. Let's start the recipe. 2 tablespoons of oil. 150 grams of chicken cut in striped. Cook for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Half tablespoon of crushed garlic. Cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Now add half cup sliced mushrooms. Cook on low flame for 3 minutes. One tablespoon of soy sauce. Dark soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. Add 1 tablespoon of water to prevent the sauces from burning. Vinegar 2 tablespoons. Mix well. ¼ teaspoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix all the spices. ¼ cup of chopped carrots. Now add to chicken cubes. One tablespoon of chicken powder. Now add 1,200 liters of water. Add 1/4 cup of baby corn, cut into the julienne strips. Add 1 cup of chopped cabbage. Add 3 tablespoons julienne cut spring onion greens. Now wait for a boil. Mix 5 tablespoons of corn flour in 1 cup of water until smooth slurry is ready. Add a little slurry first, don't pour it all at once. Stir well. Add beaten eggs, wait 5 seconds, then give the soup a stir. Now add remaining slurry. Stir well. Winter Special 19B soup is ready. Serve it hot to your family and get ready for the compliments. Garnish with spring onion greens. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share this winter special recipe with your friends and family. Let me know in the comments how you like the recipe. See you soon with another delicious recipe video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.